again to the Cymru National Museum, Wales, and to our special day to celebrate International Day of Biodiversity. And you are very welcome to explore some of the displays that we have here today for you.
Here we have a scorpion fly. It's a fairly common insect that you can find on any hedgerow. This is a male which has the characteristic scorpion tail. It's not a real sting, it's purely contains the reproductive organs.
So we've got a male and a female here. This is the female, and you can see it's got strong markings all the way along the body, these lateral lines. And then if you look at the male, it's more uniform in colour, grey in colour. And with the coastal species of the male, you quite often see blue dots all the way along the body. The female is actually quite young, that's why the banding is so prominent. She's probably 2 to 5 years of age, and then when she gets sort of past 5 years, she'll start to lose the distinct markings there. We have a population, healthy population on Flatham Island, and like I said, because they're coastal species, you can see in the male on the island, you can see the blue dots on the male. It's quite noticeable.
See? Have you got it?
I got it.
Probably a bit slow.
So this is an ichthyosaur, these marine reptiles that lived in the sea at the same time dinosaurs were on land about 150 million years ago. This is an ichthyosaur skull found at Penarth. It was found about 20 years ago by a professional collector and comparator. It's a beautiful specimen with the teeth really well preserved, and it's showing the eye, and within the eye you can actually see a tiny ammonite which has been preserved with the skull.